Welcome to Module 1, Unit 4. We are going to build this box with the hexagonal hole, as you can see in our figure. So, we are going to extrude, and I chose the X-theta reference plane. I'm going to draw a rectangle in any position. Don't worry about it. And with any dimension. Now, with Smart Dimension, I state one of the sides corresponding with the below figure, 58, and the height of our box, which is, in this case, 26. And to center the rectangle, I connect the midpoint of one side with a point on the axis. And again, I connect the other midpoint with any point of the axis, so I can center easily the rectangle. Now I close and I extrude. The distance you can see in the figure below. So now I have my box. I finish and I cancel. Now I have to do the hexagonal hole, so I use cut operation. See, I choose this reference plane, but I can change the orientation. When you choose the reference plane, if you click N, you can change the orientation when you are going to draw the hexagon. So I prefer this orientation, and I'm going to draw my hexagon. I find the midpoint, and Solid Edge has an alignment line, so the hexagon is centered in this case. This dimension should be 12, and the angle should be 30. Now I have my hexagon. I close my sketch and I cut. 9 is the depth. I finish, and at the end I cancel my operation. I close my reference plane because I want to have a better view. And for example, now I want to paint my part. The box will be green glass, for example, and the hexagonal hole will be gold. Okay? So I close now, and I can change the background of the screen. So I can, for example, instead of white, it can be sky blue, as in other versions of Solid Edge. I can zoom to see my part. This is my part, and now I can save my part or even save it as an image if I have to include it in a PowerPoint or any document I have to do. So this is the end of Module 1, Unit 4. In Unit 5, we will construct a key.